Good morning, sir.
Shall I start now? Hello? Shall I start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So yesterday we are discussing about the incomplete dominance. I started codominance also, no?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am. Okay. What is codominance? Let us discuss. See, both the alleles of a gene express themselves simultaneously in a heterozygous state. In codominance, what is happening, Nana? Two alleles of the same gene in heterozygous state simultaneously expressing its character. Here, neither of the allele is dominant nor recessive. Both of them are completely and independently expressing the character. Are you following, Nana? In the case of yesterday, we discussed about the incomplete dominance. In Mirabilis Jalapa, Snapdragon, what is the color of the flowers in heterozygous condition?
Pink.
RR crossed with RR. RR. Here, what is that, Nana?
Pink.
Pink color. That means here, dominant allele is not completely expressing its character. Yes or no?
Yes, yes, sir.
So incompletely it is expressing the character. Incompletely dominant over the recessive allele. And there is a mixing of characters are seen. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Quantitative mixing is seen. So that's why it becomes pink color. But here in this case, it is not like that. There is no mixing of characters. Number one. Means no intermediates are found. Here, F1 progenies which are formed are heterozygous condition and it does not exhibit neither of the parents, neither dominant parent or recessive parent. And it exhibiting the both the parental characters. Both the parental characters are expressed side by side. For example, in codominance, one example is lentil. Second example is AB blood group in human being, MN blood group in human being, sickle cell anemia carrier. Is not sickle cell anemia disease, sickle cell anemia carrier, and coat color in cattle. These are the some of the example. Now you will get clarity by looking to this example. See now, here please have a look. In this case, lentil, scientific name of lentil, Lens culinaris. It is the, what is Lens culinaris? What is the specialty of this? It is a major grain, legume, or pulse crop in North America. Okay, North America. It is not South America or South Africa. It is a North American major legume crop. That is lentil. Scientific name is Lens culinaris. Here, if you see, the lentil exhibited by two types of lentils. The seed coat is characterized by spotted with few irregular patches. If you see the seed coat, how is the seed coat here? See the diagram? How it is, Nana? It is spotted, no? Hey,
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes, sir.
spotted with a few irregular patches. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is CS, CS. SS means spotted. Spotted lentils. Second one, dotted lentils. How many dots are there? Several dots. How they are? Circular. Here spots, irregular. Number, few. Here dots, several. How they are? Circular. No. CS, CS, CD, CD. Here we should not, in codominance, we should not represent small letters, all capital letters. Because both of them are expressing their character independently, side by side. You see, CS, CS, CD, CD. Gamete, CS. Gamete, CD. Now fuse F1 generation. It is heterozygote, no? Yes or no? Heterozygote, it should be spotted or dotted. Which one should you can expect? Spotted, no, no, no. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But here, what you have seen? CS, CD.
Spotted and dotted.
Spotted and dotted. So that means spotted and dotted alleles are, you see, spotted, dotted. They are independently expressing the character side by side. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So co-dominance. Both of them are
Dominant.
expressing the character like a dominant allele. So no one is dominant, no one is recessive. Yes or no here? See, CS is dominant over CD.
Right, I'm coming to this classification of alkaline.
CD is dominant over the CS.
No, sir.
CS is recessive to the CD.
No, sir.
CD is recessive to CS.
No.
So neither of them is dominant or recessive to each other. Both of them are independently expressing their characters in heterozygous condition. This is known as codominant. Now you do the selfing. Spotted dotted self-pollination. F2 generation. In F2 generation, you see CS gametes. CD gametes. CS, CS. What is this?
Spotted.
Spotted.
CS, CD.
Spotted and dotted.
CD, CS.
Spotted.
CD, CD.
Dotted.
What is the phenotypic ratio?
1:2:1.
1:2:1.
Spotted, how many?
1.
1,
Spotted, dotted,
2,
2.
dotted.
1.
1.
Genotypic ratio.
1:2:1.
So that means what we observe, both phenotypic and genotypic ratios are.
Same.
2:1.
So that means both in incomplete dominance and codominance, both phenotypic and genotypic ratios are.
Same.
And monohybrid cross of Mendel. Oi, complete dominance of Mendel. Incomplete dominance.
Genotypic ratio of F2 generations.
F2 generation only I'm talking. In complete dominance of Mendel, incomplete dominance, codominance, genotypic ratios are same, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mendelian complete dominance F2 generation genotypic ratio 1:2:1, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Incomplete dominance genotypic ratio
1:2:1.
codominance
1:2:1.
followed up.
Yes, sir.
But last example, coat color in cattle. Coat color, that is skin color, hair, fur, anything. You okay, na? Here, what is the coat color here?
Red.
Red.
R1. I have taken. Okay, na?
Yes.
White
R2.
R2. In sometimes a red color, you can see black color also in some cattle. Okay, na? You can also see sometimes black color also. Okay. Now R1, R2, which color?
Rohan.
You know, Rohan? You might have seen some cattle. They are brown color with white color patches.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You got it, please?
Got it.
Got it.
In some cases, black color with white color spots,
Yes, sir.
white patches. Cattle only reddish brown with white patches or black with white patches. You might have seen cattle. Do you aware?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
that means here in heterozygous condition, both the characters are seen now side by side. Rohan means red color with
White color.
White spots.
not spot, white patches.
Patches. Okay.
You got it, please? F1 generation, F2 generation, red to Rohan, white. 1:2, 2:1.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Another example for human beings is the which blood group? A blood, B, C, D. Sorry,
AB blood group.
B,
AB, sir.
AB. AB is the example for
Codominant.
codominance. Okay, na?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now I am explaining the multiple alleles. Okay?
Blood group, sir.
I won't explain. Blood groups example for multiple alleles.
Okay, sir.
Only one type of blood group, AB blood group alone is the example for
Codominance.
all types are A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group, O blood group. These all are examples for
Multiple alleles.
listen carefully. Okay, na? Try to understand. When more than two alternative forms of a same gene in a population occupying the same locus on a chromosome is known as multiple alleles. What is multiple alleles, Nana? More than how many, Nana? Two forms. Means more than two alleles of a which gene, Nana?
Same gene.
Same gene, not different gene. It is the same gene in a not an individual, in a where
Population.
in you can see multiple allelism only in population, not in individual. Okay, na? In a population occupying the
Same locus.
same locus of the homologous chromosomes. Homologous chromosomes. I mean, right. Okay. Any doubt? You got the idea, na? Any doubt, bhai? అదే అర్థమైందా లేదా? Followed or not?
Got it.
You can respond, no?
Yes, sir.
Now you see here in this case, these multiple alleles, please, very important. Here, what is the name of the allele? For blood groups. What is the name of the allele that controls the blood groups in human beings, Nana? Listen. What is this? Gene.
I.
Listen carefully. Try to understand. For example, eye color in Drosophila. What is the name?
Eye color in Drosophila.
Eye color. Drosophila. A single gene is represented by how many alleles?
15.
15. And one gene is represented by how many kinds of alleles, Nana?
15 alleles.
15 alleles. And coat color in rabbit. How many alleles? Visible? Huh?
Yes, sir.
4 alleles. How many alleles, Nana?
4.
4 alleles. Now you take blood groups in human being, human ABO blood groups. How many? How many?
3 alleles.
Here, how many have written?
3, sir.
3, sir.
Followed?
Yes, sir.
Try to understand. I will give you a little bit more clarity for this. Okay, now you got the idea. Multiple, the name multiple alleles. Yes, see, generally, till now we said that a gene is represented by 2 alternative forms. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
gene is represented by a pair of alleles. Yes or no? Right.
Yes, sir.
Height.
Yes, sir.
Height gene is like this, no?
Yes, sir.
How many?
2, sir.
Violet color flower. Like this, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Round seed.
Capital R small.
Means a single gene is represented by
2 alleles.
two alleles. A pair of alleles. Alternative form of alleles. A pair of alternative form. Yes or no, Anana? But here, a single gene is represented by
More than 2 alleles.
more than two. For ABO blood groups in human beings,
3 alleles.
3 alleles.
in the case of the coat color, skin color of the rabbit,
4
4
alleles.
alleles.
4 alleles.
eye color in Drosophila.
15 alleles.
50.
So these all comes under.
Multiple alleles.
Now you tell me a single gene always represented by a pair of alternative forms of alleles. Huh?
No.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
So there is a more than 2 alternative forms of alleles are also present, no?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, sir.
Good. Now listen. In human beings, Nana, what is the term I am using?
Human
being.
being.
Human beings. You know, do you aware of your blood groups, Nana? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You are aware of your blood groups. Okay. A blood group students are there?
Yes, sir.
B blood group,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
AB blood group,
Yes, sir. Yes.
O blood group. O. Okay, yes. O blood group is universal donor. Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
AB is a universal acceptor.
Acceptor.
Okay. Nana, in human beings, there are 4 kinds of blood groups. Oh, persons. No, no? Yes, sir, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In human population, correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
In human population, how many kinds of people with blood groups, Nana? How many kinds of blood groups people are present in a human
4.
population?
4.
So, A blood group person, B blood group person, O blood group person, and AB blood group person. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
A blood group, B blood group person, AB blood group person, O blood group person. Yes or no? Total how many kinds?
4. 4.
4 kinds. These are seen in individual, huh?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Human population.
In a population. Okay. These blood groups in human beings controlled by a gene. What is the name of the gene? What is the name of the gene?
I.
I. This I gene represented by how many alleles?
3.
3 alleles.
So why these 3 alleles are formed? Due to mutations. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, generally, if I will write capital A is there by. This is undergone mutation. Now it become
Capital A, small a.
means how many times mutations occur here?
1.
1.
Suppose capital A is there. Now it is giving rise to, in the beginning it is like this. Now it become like this. Now it become like this. How many times mutation occur?
2 times.
2 times.
Are you following now? So multiple alleles are formed due to
Mutation.
mutations. These mutations, the same gene undergoing mutation for single time or several times.
Several times.
Okay. Depending upon the number of times mutated, that many types of alleles are formed. Okay, na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So due to this high gene undergone mutation, as a result, how many kinds of alleles are formed?
3 kinds.
Three kinds. IA allele, IB allele, and
I
IO allele. Then what is this IO? See, this is the human being RBC cell. Which cell, Nana?
Human RBC.
RBC cell.
Human RBC cell. This human RBC cell on the surface of the cell membrane, it produces a sugar, a branched sugar. Which sugar, Nana?
Branched sugar.
Branched sugar, which is known as glycoprotein. Also, in some book they will write glycoprotein. In your book, sugar is given. Okay, na?
Yes.
In your
Yes.
book given, Nana? Wait, what is given in your Akash book? Sugar is given. On the surface of the cell membrane, it produces what it produces? Branched sugars are produced. What? Those branched sugars are nothing but a glycoprotein. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubt? And
No,
these glycoproteins are called, or the sugar molecules are called
Antigens. Antigens.
or glutigens. Okay, na? Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are glutinogens, are glutinogens. Okay, na? Any doubt? Or also known as isoglutinogens. Okay, na? The plasma membrane of red blood corpuscle cells are characterized by presence of surface antigens. Surface agglutinogens. Surface isoglutinogens. They are chemically branched sugar or glycoproteins. So isoglutinogen. You got it?
Yes, sir.
So the synthesis of the sugar is controlled by which gene? Which gene?
IG.
I gene is synthesizing
Isoglutinogen.
isoglutinogen. They are nothing but a
Antigen.
antigen. Chemically, they are
Sugar. Sugar glycoprotein.
followed up,
Yes, sir.
and this is slightly mutated. When it is hygiene mutated more than one time, what happens? How many kinds of alleles are formed?
3 kinds.
3 kinds. What are those 3 kinds?
IA, IB, IO.
IA and IB are dominant. These two are dominant alleles, and this is
Yes, sir.
allele. So that means IA is able to produce,
Antigens.
IB able to produce
Antigens.
antigen. But IA, IB produce antigen slightly different from each other. Not they are not producing the same type of sugar, slightly different form of sugars. Okay, na? Oi. IA,
Yes, sir.
IB, they are able to produce the sugars, no? What I said, IA allele able to synthesize produce the
Sugar.
sugars. Those sugars are known as
Antigens.
antigen. The antigen produced by IA, IB are 100% completely same.
No, sir.
They are slightly
Different.
different form, slightly different form. Are you following, Anna?
Yes, sir.
Like strong T, light T type. Difference is there, no? T only. T only. Strong T and light T type. Okay, na? Means both are different, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But I failed to produce
Antigens.
Antigen.
antigen. So the person who is having O blood group, they lack
Antigens. Antigen.
antigens on the surface of plasma membrane of
RBC.
RBC.
Red blood cells.
RBC. Followed up.
Yes, sir.
This ABO blood groups, what I said, ABO blood groups are discovered by Landsteiner. Landsteiner discovered
Blood groups.
ABO blood groups. Don't tell like that. Who discovered ABO blood groups?
Landsteiner.
Landsteiner.
Landsteiner. Okay, na? Later, AB blood group discovered by A blood group, B blood group, O blood group is discovered by
Landsteiner.
Landsteiner. But AB blood group was discovered by
D. Castillo. And still
D. Castillo. And
Teeny.
तू देख के बोल रहा नहीं?
हो सर सामने से ना.
Followed up?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Any doubt, bhai?
No, sir.
No, that is recessive, right, sir?
And one thing you must remember, in multiple allelism, a single gene is represented by more than 2 alleles, but they are found in, observed in,
Population.
number 1, population. Number 2, if suppose I am there, my blood group is A positive. That means how many alleles are present? Only one allele is present. A pair of alleles are present.
A pair of
A pair of alleles.
And this pair of alleles occupy the different locus, same locus.
Same
Same
locus.
locus.
So they will occupy always same locus. Okay. You see. IA, same locus, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
IB, same locus, no?
Yes.
Yes.
IB, same locus, no?
Yes.
IO, same locus, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
IO,
Yes.
Same
Same
locus.
IO.
Same.
How many kinds of blood groups are seen in this? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? How many?
4.
4.
4. How many types of genotypes? IA type,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
IB, second type,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
IB, third type,
Yes, sir.
IO, fourth type,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
IO, fifth type,
Yes.
Yes.
heterozygous, A positive, A blood group. This is heterozygous,
B blood group.
homozygous,
A blood group.
homozygous,
B blood group.
codominance,
AB blood group.
recessive,
O blood group.
dominance,
A blood group.
or heterozygous,
A blood group.
heterozygous,
B blood group. Dominance B blood group.
So here in human being ABO blood group, you are able to see dominance and recessiveness.
Yes. Sir.
Dominance, yes or no?
Yes. Sir.
Recessive,
O blood. Yes.
codominance.
AB blood group.
So ABO blood group expanding multiple alleles,
Yes. Sir.
Yes.
expanding dominance is to recessive.
Yes, sir.
AB Sorry, codominance.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All of these.
All of these.
All of this.
This question twice asked in NEET exam. AB a blood group is example for
Codominant.
Codominance.
A, B, O blood groups.
Multiple
Example,
Multiple alleles.
alleles.
multiple alleles. Number 2, dominance,
Dominance.
codominance. Number 3,
Dominance.
dominance and recessive. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No.
No, sir.
So AB a blood group, how many types of phenotypes are formed?
6.
Oh,
4, sir.
4. Genotypes,
6.
6.
6. And which type of allele unable to produce antigens?
IO.
O.
Oh, hence it is.
Recessive.
Recessive.
Which alleles are able to produce antigens?
A and B.
A and B.
Those antigens are similar, 100%.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
They are slightly.
Different.
Different.
Okay. Now you see allele from father. Okay, na? Means parent 1. I will take. Okay, na? P1. Married to allele from mother.
Yes.
Mother. Parent 2. Okay, na bhai? Next, genotype. Genotype of offspring. Genotype of offspring. Okay. Next, blood types of offspring. Which type? Blood types of offspring. Chalo. If father having, if a male get married to female, male blood group is,
A.
A.
suppose she is also having
A.
A. This fellow possibility he can get married to
B.
he can also get married to
IU.
O.
followed up.
Yes, sir.
If even vice versa, if female having IA, she can get married to the male with
IA.
I, B, and I, O.
what is the genotype of offspring?
IA.
IA.
IA,
IB.
IB, sorry,
IB.
IA,
IO.
okay na? चलो बोलो blood group.
A.
हाँ,
A.
A, B.
AB.
A here.
A.
A.
Here, homozygous no?
Yes, sir.
Dominant no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Here codominance no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here heterozygous dominant no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. IB. Okay na? Same. Okay? Get married to
IA. IB. IO.
चलो बोलो
IB, IA.
IA.
IB,
IB, IB. IB, IO.
IB.
IO.
Here I will write IA, better priority. Okay, na? No problem, no? Here same
AB.
codominant, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here, sorry, blood group AB, codominance. Here,
B.
B. Homozygous dominance.
homozygous dominance. Here,
B.
Heterozygous dominance.
heterozygous dominance. Okay, na? Next, what is left now?
IO.
I. R.
Recessive.
Correct? Correct, bhai?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here,
I.
IO. R. IO. IO. R. X. What is the blood group?
O.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ignorance, no?
Homozygous recessive.
Homozygous. Followed up? So it is explaining dominance, explaining codominance, explaining recessiveness, and explaining the
Multiple.
Multiple alleles.
types of phenotypes. For
Yes, sir.
Yes.
B blood group, A, B,
AB.
AB.
O.
O.
Correct? Correct? Nana?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How many types of genotypes?
6.
6.
Okay, na? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt. Okay. Here you must listen. To find out the number of alleles of a gene for different possible genotypes, what is the formula we should apply? Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
What is the formula to find out the
Number of genes.
genotypes of
Multiple
Allele.
allele.
blood groups? How much? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Followed? Any
Yes.
doubt?
No, sir.
Sir.
So this is about the
Multiple alleles.
Chapandra, this is about the
Multiple alleles.
Multiple alleles.
now we should go for the pleiotropy. Now, to the heading pleiotropy.
So what does N stand for in that formula?
Alleles. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Human being, how many alleles are there? Blood group 3, no?
3.
Yes.
3 plus 3. Any confusion, please?
No, sir.
Now I want to explain which one.
Pleiotropic gene.
Pleiotropy. Okay. Do you know pleiotropy? You should not get confused. When a single gene influences a several character is known as
Pleiotropy.
pleo means many, meaning. Okay, na?
More than one.
Are you following, Nana?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
For example, generally one gene expresses only one character, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Height, gene, only one character, no?
Yes, sir.
I'm explaining like that. Color of the flower, violet, white, only one gene. Yes, sir. One gene expresses only
One character.
One.
that you learn till now. Yes, sir. No. Next,
Ye-
have learned one gene represented by two alternative forms of alleles. Yes, sir. No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But today, what you learn? Not always it is right. A single gene can be represented by more than two alleles. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hence, that is known as
Multiple alleles.
Pleiotropy.
Ni avare Sachinoda. A single gene represented by more than two alleles is known as
Multiple
Multiple alleles.
when a single gene influences several characters
Pleiotropy.
Pleiotropy.
or more than one character.
Pleiotropy.
Followed?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Chalo. I will go in little bit depth by giving some examples related to the pleiotropy. Okay, na?
Okay.
What is the definition? Please tell me.
When a single gene influences more than one.
More than one character. Okay, na? Is called
Pleiotropy.
Pleiotropy.
a gene which control more than one character simultaneously. Simultaneously. Not after some time. Simultaneously. Is called pleiotrophic gene. And this shows multiple phenotypic effect. Okay, na? Which effect it will show?
Multiple phenotypic.
Multiple phenotypic effect. Okay, let us see some examples related to pleiotropy. Okay. Pleiotropy. Pleiotropy. Examples. Now you got the clarity, difference between multiple allele and pleiotrophic gene.
Yes, sir.
Hey, multiple gene and pleiotrophic gene. You got the idea, no? Difference?
Got it.
Yes, sir.
Multiple alleles means single gene represented by more than two different forms of alleles. Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And pleiotropy means a single gene influences more than one character simultaneously. Is known as
Pleiotropy.
Pleiotropy.
pleiotropy. Example in which plant?
Pea plant.
Pea plant. This single gene, same gene, influencing how many characters?
3
Three.
characters.
Seed, coat, color. Okay, na?
Okay.
Flower, color. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Flower, color. And last one is the red spot in the axilla of the leaf. Okay, na? The axilla of leaf. So single gene is influencing how many characters?
3
3
characters.
characters.
In Drosophila. Drosophila, which character I should take? Wing size. This size, what is that?
Wing size.
Wing size. This wing size and also influences some other character. Wing size and other characters. Same gene. It is influencing wing size with along with other characters. What are those? Structure of reproductive organs. Longevity. Longevity. Okay, na? Sorry, longevity. VIT. Structure of reproductive organs, longevity, bristles on wing, on wings, and reduced sized wings. How many characters single gene is influencing here?
5.
Sorry. Reduction in egg size. How many characters now?
5, sir.
5. One is,
Wing size.
second one,
Structure of reproductive organ.
third one,
Longevity.
fourth one,
Brittles on wings.
fifth one.
Reduction in eggs.
Okay, na?
Okay.
In human beings. Human beings. What are those? Chala important examples, these two. Third is not important, but very, very important. Sickle cell anemia disease. Phenylketonuria disease. What is the disease, Nana? Phenylketonuria.
Tutorial.
Phenylketonuria disease.
Could you move the camera to the right?
Okay, na? Phenylketonuria. Cystic fibrosis. One more also I will take. Marfan syndrome. Okay, na? What are those examples, Nana?
Sickle cell anemia, phenylketonuria, ketonuria,
Okay, na?
cystic fibrosis.
Okay, na?
Yes.
Okay.
For example, sickle cell anemia. Just 1 minute, please. You must spend some time. See, in human being, 1, amino acid 1, amino acid 2, amino acid 3, amino acid 4, amino acid 5, amino acid 6. Okay, Nana? Like that polypeptide chain form. This results in formation of human. What is that, Nana?
Hemoglobin.
Hemoglobin.
So that means hemoglobin is a conjugated protein. Protein is known as
Globin.
protein name is
Globin.
globin. Which shape that is?
Globule.
Globular shape. With to this, what is get associated?
Heme.
Hemoid. Then only it become functional. Okay, na?
Yes.
Are you following, Nana? You got it up, please. So, but what happens, this in normal hemoglobin, this type of hemoglobin should form means here in this case, a sixth amino acid is get changed. See, which one is changed, Nana?
Sixth
Sixth
amino
amino-
acid.
Yeah, sixth amino acid should be which one? Please tell me. Please tell me. Which one, Nana? Glutamine. This glutamine, the sixth amino acid triplet code name is a triplet code. The name of the triplet, here sixth amino acid name is GAG. What is the name, please? This is very important. Kindly, just you spend some time, please. GAG, GAG. GAG is coding for which amino acid? GLU means, Nana? Glutamate. What is the name? Glutamate is coded by
GAG.
GA. Due to point mutation, this fellow changes to what now? GAG become now and GUG is coding for which amino acid?
Valine.
Valine. In the place of
Glutamate.
V.
glutamine. As a result, hemoglobin structure is become this structure. This shape.
Sickle.
Sick.
This shape. Followed up instead of
Glob.
followed up, na?
Yes,
Gene
sir.
is same, no? Gene is same, no?
Yes.
Are you following? Because of mutation, what happened? The normal gene for globulin synthesis, here it should be glutamine. What is added here? Here,
Valine.
A is mutated to adenine, mutated to uracil, no?
Yes, sir.
Array nitrogen bases adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. Do you know?
Yes, sir.
So because of mutation, what happened? Glutamate in the place of sixth position, glutamate place, what is added?
Valine.
So then it become,
Sickle.
Sickle cell.
even in the case of phenylketonuria, there melanin pigment should be synthesized. Okay, now instead of that, it is not synthesized. That results in the which disease? Phenylketonuria. These are the examples for the
Pleiotrope.
Pleiotrope in human beings.
pleiotrope examples. Please tell me.
Sickle cell anemia, phenylketonuria, cystic fibrosis, and Marfan syndrome.
Okay, now
Yes, sir.
one more example is that tomorrow I will explain. Just you remind me. That is there in your syllabus. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Starch grade. Just you remember me. Starch grade. Okay. Size of starch grade. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.